Right? Are you excited? And these are his clothes, what he's going to wear for Zoom class. You ready?
It's actually for real parties, but since it is my school party, I will wear this.
You are not a thief, by the way, don't worry.
Now I look
Handsome.
I look totally awesome. Everybody will be surprised. Why three clothes on top of each other?
You're looking nice. You're looking handsome, by the way.
There now.
Can anybody imagine that this is how this guy looks, and actually he has to look like this. This is the guy, and that's Mama and my
Mom.
love.
Dada put us picture black. Guys, let's go to Dada and see how Dada's expression looks like.
Wait. Presenting Heather D'Souza.
Hey! Awesome, man. Awesome.
Nice, no?
Three clothes on each other. Now I am going to join my Christmas class.
It's
Let's
a birthday party.
join.
No, Christmas party.
Launching 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, June.
Oh, you have to wait. Arey, it is 3:37 only. See the excitement. Oh!
Look who's come!
She also want to join your party.
The Black Joker!
Are you ready for your Christmas party?
Yeah. Christmas assembly and also Christmas things are going to be there.
This girl.
Good evening, dear parents and students. We will have a poetry recitation competition. What a style, man. Look at that eyes. Look at that
Okay,
eyes.
get up. Okay, Baba.
Okay, fine.
Baba. Are you ready? No, look at it. Give a good smile. Smile.
Class is starting.
Turn face this side more. Smile.
What a smile, man. Whoa.
Nice, huh? It will go in the internet after. Smile, huh? Are you ready? Smile, huh? Baba, don't do that. See. Okay, no problem. I will share with my friends this photo. Okay, see. Let them look at them.
Sure. What a smile. Whoa, what a smile.
You love me.
Okay, class start. मैं आज बनाने वाली हूँ बनाना ब्रेड। सोच रही थी कि चाय के लिए बनाती, इंग्रेडिएंट्स ले रही थी। तो बटर मैंने लिया है, बनाना मैंने लिया है, एग्स मैंने लिया है, एक पैन को ऑलरेडी रेडी करके रखा है, और यहाँ पे है ऑल पर्पस फ्लावर चाहिए, लाइक अराउंड 2 कप ऑफ ऑल पर्पस फ्लावर, 1/4 कप सॉल्ट, 1 टीस्पून होगा बेकिंग सोडा। तो हाफ कप मैंने बटर लिया है, यहाँ पर इस तरह से क्यूब करके लिया है। सो हाउ वाज योर क्रिसमस पार्टी? डिड यू गॉट बोर्ड?
No. Yes, no. Let's cut them all.
And here what Hannah is doing, she preheating the oven. What was that eyes? Show me eyes. Yes, tell me. Banana mash करके हो गया है, and we have to take a brown sugar, around 1 cup की इतना brown sugar लेना है, और 2 eggs, brown sugar to the banana, eggs to the banana, butter also to the bananas, salt, baking soda and cinnamon, वो वाला मिक्सचर मैं इसमें ऐड करूँगी। ये हो गया है हमारा मिक्सचर रेडी। Yummy banana bread is just ready.
I'll take a full bite of it.
Okay. The first bite eaten by Hannah. How's it? Eat.
Hey.
Eat. Show Mama how it is. She's enjoying it.
Always the first bite takes awesome. Awesome.
Have you really baked it?
Of course. How is it? Tell me. We are waiting for your review. Hello. Don't keep eating. Tell the review. Yum. Okay. Tell now. Tell. How is it? Yeah. Yeah. It's him. Yeah. She's like yeah. 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 What she is doing? She's taking the cake. This cake pieces. She's going and keeping it in one location. And coming back again taking. But also again she's going back again she's eating from there.
Felt like I ate bananas, like I'm full, like what a cake, man. I never ate like this.
Next I'm going to try coffee cake, okay? So guys, just because I made the banana bread perfect, my husband bought
Come on.
gift for me.
What?
So more baking become easier.
What are you talking? What are you talking? Come on.
Baking become easier, right? Then I can use this to make smooth batter made easy.
Mine.
And second, what is more?
This is mine.
Okay, this now.
Mama, I want that.
Are
Nala, I thought it was for me.
Oh, the tea taste only change.
How the tea is tasting?
The tea taste only change.
क्या बात है? Unboxing. The second gift unboxing.
Half liter, huh?
तो चलिए गाइज आज का ब्लॉग यहीं पे एंड करते हैं और हम आप लोगों से मिलते हैं अगले वाले ब्लॉग के साथ। इसलिए इतना स्लो बात करें क्योंकि हैना इज स्लीपिंग।
So we'll end the vlog without Hannah and Dada.
या सो हम आपसे मिलते हैं अगले वाले ब्लॉग के साथ। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड
Bye bye.